Hi, this is Jethro Netadog with The Wrap. I'm here to sort of end our TV summer together with our 5 winners of summer. Our first winner of summer is going to be CBS. And all this sort of carriage with Time Warner Cable, CBS has sort of won the public relations war. You know, CBS is sort of getting out of it easy. And at the same time, their ratings are not really being affected. Our next winner of the summer is OWN, and that's because they became profitable this quarter. After only 2.5 years, the company sort of honed in on the audiences that were working for them. And because they brought on Tyler Perry's unscripted series, and those have been just kind of doing crazy numbers for them. So this next summer win goes to John Oliver for taking the bull by the horns and taking over The Daily Show and basically making sure that, you know, the place was like taken care of while Jon Stewart was away working on his film. The ratings were definitely steady on the Daily Show all summer, and he didn't lose anyone. Our 4th winner of summer is Netflix. This has been a really good summer for Netflix because number 1, they got 9 Primetime Emmy nominations. Their original series has just been on point. House of Cards was great. Everyone's looking forward to season 2. They released Orange is the New Black. Nothing but great reviews. So basically, Netflix is really kind of rocking this summer. So congratulations, Netflix. Some people might be surprised to hear our last winner of summer, and I'm giving it to Miley Cyrus. Congratulations, Miley Cyrus. You have won summer. She did this whole MTV VMA performance, and to tell you the truth, the night of, it didn't seem like there was going to be a lot of backlash or anything from it. It sort of happened, and I thought it was going to pass, but it didn't. It sort of just got bigger and bigger and bigger all week, and then Miley is tweeting how happy she is about getting all these tweets during the show, and like she's announcing her songs with Britney Spears, and she's in the studio on a new album, and everyone's just sort of like up at arms. And guess what? Adults and moms and dads are all just peeved, and guess what? That just makes her cooler with kids. So congratulations, Miley. Thanks for listening, Wrap Readers. I'm Jethro Netadog. You can follow me on Twitter at TheRealJethro.